day in the life video. Thanksgiving.
Just a day in the life, Thanksgiving in Grand Central Station. This is what we do every day.
Hanging out here. All right, should we keep walking?
We don't even have that far to go.
There's a purple. No, that's a hippo.
It's a hippopotamus.
What are these? I've never seen these before. We just sat at the coffee shop for 2 hours and spoke with this old man, which was kind of sweet because we didn't have anywhere to be on Thanksgiving. And I don't
87 years old.
87. His birthday's next week. So it was nice. And just grab some stuff for turkey sandwiches once we get home. Okay, so day after Thanksgiving. Well, actually, no.
It is Thanksgiving.
It's Thanksgiving today. We celebrated with my cousin and my mom while they were visiting yesterday. And so it's technically our day after Thanksgiving. And that means that we make sandwiches with the turkey. Turkey's a little different this year. We did all takeout because we have a tiny New York kitchen. But have sourdough bread, lettuce, turkey. We're about to do the dang thing. This is hard as a rock. Not funny. I love turkey and bacon, so we just picked up some bacon at the store.
Did you need gravy? Did you want gravy?
Yeah. I like to drizzle it on the thing. Day after Thanksgiving, Sammy's.
I'll get you a nice little side profile. Look at that. Wow.
Yum.
Wow.
Look at this girl. What? We did a joint Christmas gift this year and it came in the mail early, so we're going to do a little unboxing. Oh, make a noise effect.
Oh.
Wow. What is that, Lindsay? Ready? And your computer. Oh shit. Whoa. So pretty. Okay, so we have the laptop. It's a MacBook Pro. And it looks like this is charger. Main part of the charger and then extra sheet. This is beautiful. That's what it looks like. Open her. Oh. Did you hear that? Wow.
Ooh, I love the space gray. This is dope.
So sick. We made the right choice. This is the new computer. I'm just watching some YouTube videos before we watch some movies tonight.
We've only had the computer for an hour, but so far it runs so much faster than our current laptop, so that's nice. I think,
6 years newer,
yeah,
so it's a
6
big,
years old.
big upgrade.
It
We've
was-
been waiting. We
it's-
deserved it.
It was time. However, now I don't know what we're gonna do at Christmas because this was our Christmas gift.
Oh, we're boxing it back up, wrapping it and putting it under the tree.
I'm so excited. Gonna make way more videos with a faster laptop. It's a beautiful evening and we're just taking a walk along the promenade. Like the nicest weather we've had all week.
Yes.
That was a quick day in the life, but we're wrapping up the evening by watching a Netflix film with Halle Berry and having some snacks and some leftovers again. Have a good weekend and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.